Morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and dear students. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and dear students. I'm Veer Pratap from class 10C. Today I'm here to represent some of the thoughts about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. But firstly, I would like to thank my teachers for giving me this unique opportunity to stand in front of you all and express some of the words for him. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was a truly incredible Indian. He was a politician, influencer, and economist and social reformer all in one. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on 14th April every year to celebrate Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is also known as the father of our constitution as he drafted the constitution of India. He was the leader of Dalits and all other backward people of India. He was the law minister of India and he explained a lot of law about Indian constitution and not to discriminate other peoples. He worked for equality of all Indians. He was a truly Indian. He was true social reformer. He contributed a lot in Indian law education. He organized many organizations like Dalit Buddhist movement and anti-caste movement. He formed political party named the Independent Labour Party of India. And in addition, today is Hanuman Jayanti. I wish you all the best. And in the end, I appreciate the time and attention you gave me. Thank you.